Here we are at Airskins at CES 2026. They have a bunch of varieties. You guys can check it out. They have a little packages. They're running for $12.99. You can get them on Amazon, and they're pretty cool because you can kind of customize your own. And this one, you can see the quality. It actually is very good because it almost looks like it's etched or painted on there. It doesn't look like it comes off very easy. You can see that there. They have very different ones, and inside you get the little, kind of help you out to install it. So that way it shows you the top there. You can see that there, and then for the head earbuds, same thing. It's like a little cradle, and you can see here where you would actually pull it, and then it wraps around the head earbuds there like that. Like you can see that there. So yeah, there's various designs. Very cool. That way, if you guys have a bunch of them in the house, you guys can always distinguish which one's which and personalize your own and have your own unique ones. Here's another style here for the smaller ones. You can see for AirPods 3, the Pro 2, and they also have a universal one, so that's pretty good. They cover pretty much all of them. You can see that there. Let's go take a look at more over here. But yeah, once again, this is the Airskins at CES 2026. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.